Today's video is blessing for those people who are suffering from scars, including old or new ones. The gel which we are talking about is Newgel+e, which are manufactured in USA and are FDA approved. In this video, we will discuss uses of this gel, how to apply, duration of treatment, and its special instructions. Neogel+e reduces, fades, and removes away the scar because it contains two important components. 100% medical-grade silicone, which is most recommended treatment by scar experts, and vitamin E, which supports body's healing process. Neogel+e is effective for many types of scar, including scars from surgeries like C-sections, burn or injury scars, acne scars, hypertrophic scar, keloid scar, which is a thick raised scar, cosmetic scars, and scars formed from pregnancy. Now let's see how to use this gel. Always use Newgel+e when wound has healed or stitches have been removed. Do not use on any open wound. Before applying the gel, make sure to clean the area and dry it. Apply a thin layer of gel and gently massage. Allow the gel to dry. Usually it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Once dried, cover the scar area by clothing, cosmetics, or bandages. Apply gel 2 to 3 times daily. Reapplication is recommended after bathing, swimming, or exercising. For new scars, use up to 3 months. And for old scars, use up to 6 months. Some of the important instructions you need to know for this gel are: if you have highly sensitive skin, apply gel to a small area for 1 to 2 days. If no rash or irritation occurs, apply to entire scar area. If you want to use Newgel+e along with Newgel silicone sheeting, then don't use them together. Instead, use gel during the daytime and sheeting at night. Healing times vary both by individual and by type of scar. Some people begin seeing improvement in the first week, but some may take more than 3 months. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.